don't have a table with me, so I'm doing a test setup on my floor of a roughly 6 foot by 2 foot space. And I think this is what I'm gonna wind up going with. So if we were down closer to like on eye level with it when you walk up, it'll probably be more like that. And I know there's stuff in the background that makes it kind of hard to see what's going on. I'm sorry. I don't have all of my product out yet. Just enough to kind of get a feel for it. Got that dragon dish with a hoard of charms to go on this bowl of $3 acrylic charm bracelets inside a ceramic dish that I've made. I'm gonna have all of the children's focused, like $10, $15, not children's focused, but $15 stone stuff there. And these will be my higher dollar, nicer necklaces on chain and such. Earrings. I can only put like 4 cards to a side, but it works well enough to get a variety out. I wish I had something bigger though. More like a stone stuff there. I'm gonna try to do stuff that's like under $30 on there. I'm not sure though. I guess I need to make more bracelets because that's all of the nice bracelets that I have. I'm gonna have some cabochons in this tray that are just loose for sale as is, or you can get a custom order and have them wrapped. And then I've got these nice examples of my labradorite pendants up here. And then further up here, I just thought these went together really well. It was a nice little themed display. And then this was going to be my children's like fairy flower necklaces and fairy dust necklaces, which they really don't fit in right here. I'd prefer to have them over by the charms and little bracelets there, but that tall black stand doesn't really fit in there. And if I put the tall black stand up here, it's way too long. And then if I put my little wooden stand there, it kind of gets hidden behind the bowl almost. Look. Spread those out just a bit. See, they're just, the pendants themselves are kind of hidden behind the bowl if you get closer to an eye level with it. So, I don't know. I'm open to ideas. If you have any suggestions on how to move stuff around, make it flow better. I still have a couple days. I could go pick up another crate if I needed to. It's going to have a black tablecloth underneath everything. And the rabbit skins are just going to go wherever looks nicest. The only two that I'm not quite sure about are these two here in the front. They could go somewhere else. I could not use them at all. But I like the one that I have in the display case that I'm going to put all the cabs on. I like the one that I have on top. It's a nice pop of color. And then the one that I have underneath the bracelets helps keep them from blending in too much back there. I might move this one in with the bracelets also so that I get more of a solid background color in there. And if you can see it back there, I have a Chinese dragon mirror that I may just go ahead and hang on the side of the boxes right here. I do have a blue standing mirror that I would put over in here somewhere. So, thoughts, ideas, things I can do to make it better. Simply, I will dye the wood eventually. I just haven't married myself to a color yet, so for now it's staying natural. Well, thanks for looking, and I look forward to the feedback.